Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my channel again. Today we are testing this out. This is a Skil 20 volt drill and impact driver set. In all fairness, I did get this for free. It was a gift from work. It wasn't sponsored or anything like that. I don't have a lot of Skil tools. I've had a few, but wanted to give them a try. It is a 20 volt system. I haven't actually opened this yet. So we're going to give it a shot today. We're going to test the drill and the driver. It does come with a battery. I don't know if it's charged. I set up a 4x4 over there to drill through and run some lag bolts through and some deck screws, things like that, just to give these the test. I did look this up online. It's only 99 bucks for the combo. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. Yeah, probably should have grabbed a knife for that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so instruction manual, don't need that. We got one battery, a charger, that's the impact. Okay, get rid of that. And that's the drill. Not bad, quality feels pretty good, just handling it. Set that aside. And some miscellaneous clips, hardware, things like that, tool belt clips. I'm not gonna use those today. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in, see if it's charged, and get right back to you. Okay, so I didn't expect that, but I just now plugged it in, and it's fully charged. So, okay, battery comes charged. So, all right, I guess I'll start with the drill on this one, but we'll get this popped off. See what we can do. You think I should start with something small or just go for something big? Interesting. 2 speeds on it. And it is set on the drill setting in your standard. This one actually goes 1 through 17 instead of 1 through 12. So, let's start with something big. Alright, it is wide open. Let's start with a 3/8 hole, no pilot. Let's just see what this thing can do. So, 3/8 drill bit, no pilot hole. Alright, I'm going to move you guys over here. Let's see, that looks pretty good. 3/8 straight down, no pilot hole. Actually made pretty easy work of that. All right. I don't imagine you would drill anything much bigger than that without a pilot hole anyways. I do have a bigger bit though, so let's try it. To be fair, for the 1/2 inch hole, I'm going to use the pilot hole. You know, I think a 1/2 inch is a lot for pretty much any drill that's not a hammer drill. Oh, look at that. 1/2 inch overloaded it. Yep. I mean, it did it, but it didn't like it. So I wouldn't try drilling 1/2 inch holes with this thing. It's just not powerful enough for that. But it did do it. It just took a few in and outs. All right. Enough of the drill. Let's try the driver. So I have a few things to test this, but I do need a bit. Uh-oh, my torque's bit. That'll do. Now, the most common thing that most of you guys are going to use this for is just decking screws, things like that. This bit is a little beat up. I've used this a lot of times, but it should still work. Oh, let's give it a shot. Swap that battery over. And after those holes, it's still showing completely full, So basic 3-inch deck screw, no pilot hole. Probably switch that to drilling. Whoa. All right, speed 2 is probably too fast for that. Oh no, that's the only speed on this. Huh. Not adjustable speed. But it's a ridiculously fast driver. Let's try another one. You can speed control with the trigger, okay. Made pretty easy work of those, actually. Take a look, sunk it in pretty good. All right, we're gonna give that a real test though. Enough of this easy stuff. There's a 1/2-inch socket on an adapter. This is a 5/16, 5/8, no, 5/16, 5.5-inch lag screw. No pilot hole. Let's just give it a try. I don't have high expectations for this one. So it is doing it, but I definitely don't recommend it. It's taking forever. It is definitely not liking it at all. And came out the other side, that's why it's getting... All right, so it will do it, but it's definitely too much work for it. So I don't really recommend it for anything major. But as far as the cheaper line of tools goes, compared to like a Black&Decker or something, definitely an improvement, much smoother action. Yeah, I think it's a win all around. We'll see how long the battery life lasts. Actually, let me try one more thing. Sometimes the drill is actually stronger than the driver. Oh, that's hot. Wow, did not like that. So what I'm gonna do, whoa, nope, doesn't like it. Nope. So you can't really use the drill as a driver either. Wouldn't even take that out. So overall, not bad. It does everything it says it will do. For a homeowner, it's probably great. For a commercial shop, I don't know if I would recommend it. The driver does great for general construction, but if you're doing something like this lag screw here, get something more powerful. This just is not going to cut it. But if you're building a deck or something like that, these would be great. Even just building general construction, it'd be completely fine. Anything heavy duty though, you will definitely want something stronger. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. So I'm just gonna go with some overall impressions. Number one, the tests weren't entirely fair on this. Let's be realistic. A 5.5 inch, 5/16 lag screw, you're going to drill a pilot hole first, no matter who you are. I mean, not many people would just wind that straight in. But we gave it a try. It technically did it. Wasn't pretty, but it did it. The tools themselves, I don't think you're going to find a 20 volt combo at this price point that's any better. The drill itself feels great in the hand. It's a great fit, finish. I actually really like that. I'm probably going to use that regularly. The driver, I don't use drivers a ton unless I'm actually doing a project that requires one, but it also has a great feel to it. It's more than strong enough to wind the screws in that I typically do. It comes with a really decent battery. It's 20 volt. It has an indicator on it. All that testing, we only burned 1 bar out of it. It is only 2 amp hour though. The charger is very nice as well. It is a high speed unit. So for $99, I don't think you're going to get a better combo than this one. For comparison's sake, this is a Black&Decker 20 volt. Just looking at the difference between them, you can tell the Skil is much higher quality and it's about the same price point. So I would go with the Skil over that any day. I would take it over the Harbor Freight Bauer brands, maybe not the Hercules. Obviously it's not going to compare to a Makita or a DeWalt. Black&Decker batteries do not fit it, so if you already have a bunch of those, no way. And yeah, that's kind of my final impression of it. I like it. I'm going to use this much more regularly than that, obviously. The driver I'll probably use periodically as well. It is very fast though, and the type of woodworking I do, I tend to drive very slowly. So yeah, overall I think it's a very good quality for the price. It's a very good deal. If you're looking to spend $100 on a set, I don't think you'll find a better deal. If you're looking to spend $300 on a set, you will definitely get better quality tools. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.